Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 13th of April 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 16's testing for the SPY day open versus close strategy. You can see on the 8th we had a buy signal which gave us a loss of 0.085%, bringing our cumulative return down to 7.265% and our alpha going down to minus 1.349%. Next, on the 9th, we had another buy signal, which gave us a bigger loss of 0.228%, bringing our alpha further down to minus 1.693%. However, on the sell signal, we made another small loss of 0.126%, which actually increased our alpha because SPY had a negative return that day, which is much greater than our loss. So we had an alpha increase of negative 0.818%. Now, on the 11th, we had our first big profit. We had a buy signal where we made $4,804.72, which is 0.447% in profit, bringing our alpha actually down to minus 1.125%, since SPY had a return of 0.755% on that day. On the last day, however, of the week, we had a sell signal, giving us a profit of $7,342.72, which was obviously a daily return profit of 0.681%, bringing our cumulative return to 8.038, and also bringing our alpha into the positives again at positive 0.936%. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.